Hey guys, today we're going to do something a little different. Today I'm going to show you how I apply the CA finish. We're going to use this little wine stopper as an example. The first thing we're going to do is apply our CA glue. I normally try and apply 10 to 12 layers, and you want to make sure that you're getting it everywhere. Now, something that I learned when I was making this video was I'm actually using too much spray on some of these smaller items. The spray was actually sticking to the end of the little knob here and making it harder for me to apply new CA glue. It basically bubbled up. So I just sanded it off a little bit, and then we go back to applying more CA glue. We'll speed this part up so that you guys don't have to sit through all of it. But just remember, 10 to 12 layers, make sure you're getting it everywhere that you want the finish. Now we're just going to sand down all those layers of CA glue with a little bit of 600 grit sandpaper. Once we have everything nice and flat and smooth, we're going to move over to the Micromesh pads. I like to spend a little bit more time on the first few layers of Micromesh pads. Just make sure that I really get those in there nice and clear, and then I don't spend quite as much time with the ones going up in the process, but just make sure that you're getting all the sides and that you have your lathe turned up pretty high. You also need to make sure that you're keeping these pads wet. If they get dry, you're going to have like little lines form, and you're going to actually have to go down in a grit or two just to be able to get those out. We'll speed this up again so you guys don't have to watch me go through all the layers. You also want to make sure that you're wearing some sort of respirator, because this is like plastic and stuff that you're breathing in. I always forget at first, but I remember to put it on there at the end. Now I'm going to clear off all the water with a paper towel. And then I like to apply some Renaissance wax to my projects. I just make sure that I get a good amount on there. Make sure it's on every surface. Just move it around a little bit. And then I'll take a clean part of the paper towel and clear it off. And here's what it looks like when we're all done on the lathe. Here it is in a little bit of better light. If you guys have any questions, leave us a comment below. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up and subscribe.